Forget the other flagships, the Xiaomi 17 Pro has an answer for the camera bump debate, and it's a second screen. This is a compact powerhouse with the fastest new chip and a massive battery. Let's see if this dual-screen concept is a game-changer or just a gimmick. The most polarizing feature, the 2.7-inch secondary screen on the back. It fills the entire camera module. It's not just a clock. Use it as a perfect selfie viewfinder for the main camera, control music, check notifications, and even see ride flight status. Mention the optional retro gaming case that uses the small screen for games. The 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED is a compact dream in a world of giants. 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and a blinding 3,500 nits peak brightness. Glass front, Dragon crystal glass, aluminum frame with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The first phones with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. This is the new performance king for Android. Paired with up to 16 GB RAM, this phone will chew through anything. Co-engineered with Leica, this is a versatile triple 50-megapixel system. Main, large sensor with a fast f1.7 aperture. Excellent low light. Telephoto, highlight the 50-megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom, crucial for flagship competition. Selfie advantage, remind viewers the rear screen lets you use these amazing cameras for your best selfies. The Xiaomi 17 Pro gets a massive 6,300 mAh battery, huge for its size. Xiaomi's Surge battery tech. Charging, blazing fast 100-watt wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging. Mention that the Pro Max has an even bigger 7,500 mAh cell. This is a massive win for battery anxiety. What do you think of the dual screen design? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.